What's going on, insiders? It's Harrison here with the rapid rundown version of the price list update summary video series, talking about what new line items were added to the price list in June 2024. Let's take a look. There are 7 new line items this month. The first one is in the TIL tile category, SWRLM. This is a waterproof membrane liquid tile underlayment. There are 3 new line items in the INS insulation category, around selector code FWD, around window and door foam insulation of different sizes, as well as 3 new fee line items, FEE, around lodging expenses, meal/food expenses, and mobilization expenses. All 3 of those are bid items. Tune in later this month for the full priceless update summary video series where we talk about these line items, their intention, and how they should be used, as well as the changes to existing line items that happened in June 2024. Thank you.